Welcome to another Project D update. Today we are mostly going to be talking about electrics. We now have the ABS pump and module all fitted and wired in, and connected a few more of the wires in the engine bay wiring loom. We've got quite a bit of the dashboard fitted now as well and wired up, but we're going to be adding a lot more of our own wires for certain things that we want to do with the car. Once we have a battery connected back up to D, we need to do a lot of testing on the electrics. This is because we have used both facelift and pre-facelift wiring looms, and there are some slight differences. We've also got some cool new bumper lights for D. These were from Custom Rides and will need wiring up as well. As always, the students have been doing an amazing job on D. They will have literally rebuilt this car from the ground up. Don't forget, if you enjoy our videos, hit that like button, leave us some comments, let us know what you think of the project. Thanks for watching.